How to change your Klarna payment method. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Klarna. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you're in the home page of the app, simply head over to Purchase at the bottom of the screen. After that, simply move into any of the payment due. Let me move into this one for now. Once you're in here, tap on More at the bottom right corner of the screen, or you can move into Payment Options. The payment method that you have added will be visible to you. If you want to change it, then all you gotta do is click on Pay with Other Card. Simply choose the specific card from where you want to pay. If you are adding any of the card, then enter the detailed information of the card. Once you have entered, your payment method will be added, and from there, you will be able to pay it. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.